So I'm just going to the edge of the beam and in 3 5/8, so the drywall will just pass over. And I'm coming out to the center of this far beam, okay? I'm finding center of this beam here, and then I'm measuring over to the front side of this beam, okay, just to cut it, or sorry, finding center, I came and I made a control joint to this beam here, okay, so it's a nice short number. I came down here and marked it from center of that column there, okay, found the center there, and then brought my line out here, snapped it, okay, now that's my control line. I then measured from the control line over to that column, up at the top, and then marked it down here at the end, in the corner here, okay, came over, and then snapped my lines, okay, 3 5/8 for steel. Now I can come down this way with my long tape, mark my ends, okay. I have checking square with my laser over there. I'm measuring off the inside plate, the inside angle back to where the outside wall goes. You can see there's an angle at the bottom to catch the kingspan panels, okay, or the sandwich panels, whatever you want to call them, okay. I'm coming from there, the same on both sides, okay, and then snapping my line. Finding center for my door in this, okay, it's pretty simple. Finding center and then moving over and over. It's a construction office / shop, so we need a big enough door. I'm going to go 7.5 feet by 7.5 feet. And that should be enough. I'm using that bucket to snap all my lines. Okay, it's a bucket full of like rocks. I'm using that to weigh down the other end of my chalk line to snap them by myself. So yeah, just got to get creative, guys. Now I'm going to start laying down track. Put my bead of mono on it and acoustical caulking, right? And then I'm gonna hammer drill. I'm gonna smack pin these ones down because I want them strong. Because it's for security and for safe and for site storage and safety. So I want it to be in there good. All right. Still, I'm missing channel, so I can't drywall this side yet. But you'll see drywall at 4 and 8. But I wanted to kind of show you what I did here. So I shot 3 clips to the beam to catch this inside stud for this side of the wall. Okay, I put 3 all the way up to the 12-foot mark there, if you can see. The other side, okay, just I shot the stud into the purlin there, okay, and ran the track all the way in. So the track is as much as high up. Oh, come on, why is the... I don't know why the gimbal isn't working now. Let me just do it manually here. So there. Right on. Okay. And then, of course, 16, 32, 48, blah, blah, blah. Got my braces in. All right, all the way around. This side here, I just shot the stud into the beam there because the wall's on the inside of the beam here. So I shot it to there. I got my channel in on this side, so I'm going to drywall just to where I have enough channel, so it'll be like basically just to the like wherever as far as I can to this bulkhead. So you can see I built a box beam. It's a little bit different than other ways I've shown you guys. So this is light gauge 3 5/8. Okay, so you can I pulled the track back a little bit. Okay, I cut the track for it back so I slip it in another piece of track here. I put a piece of track on the stud this way, right? And then the top track I just flip up to catch those studs up there. And then of course the plywood, 3/4 inch plywood underneath. I got 2 by 3 on the inside stud here, and then the second door stud I just flip around so that it's tight, like so that so the wood, because the wood's there, right? I can't put it the other way, so it's just like a sandwich. But yeah, you can see I screwed it in there. And then boom, shagalaka. The entire top track is level. Okay, I lasered it all the way around because it's going to be in public sight, right? So it's got to be a nice straight line. So I have a nice straight line all the way around. In the corners, same as always, with the floater. Right. Whoop, whoop. And there we go. I get my drywall stood up and then start screwing it in. And then we'll see. I don't know. I might have to come back. I'll have to come back Monday, I guess, to finish when I can pick up another bundle of channel.